Day trading, or momentum investing. It can make you rich or take your life savings faster than a casino. A thrilling ride, the world of momentum investing, where you can ride the market's most powerful waves to potentially generate impressive returns. If you're ready to dive into an investment strategy that can help you identify stocks with strong growth potential, you're in the right place. Momentum investing is more than just buying and selling stocks. It's about spotting trends. It involves identifying stocks that are on the rise and capturing their upward momentum. Conversely, it also means selling stocks, sometimes short, that are in free fall. There are thousands of technical indicators or combinations of indicators, but the experts suggest you just master a few and learn to mitigate your risk. The benefits of momentum investing are substantial. By capitalizing on strong stock trends, you can potentially achieve higher returns than traditional buy and hold strategies. It's a dynamic approach that keeps your portfolio in sync with the market. However, it's not all about jumping on every bandwagon. Successful momentum investing requires research and discipline. You need to analyze charts, financial reports, and market news to make informed decisions. Remember, the market can be unpredictable. Momentum investing carries catastrophic risks, especially during market corrections. Practice in a simulated account and risk management are your allies in this investment strategy. My number one recommendation for momentum trading is Ross Cameron with Warrior Trading. No, he didn't sponsor this. Momentum investing isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about harnessing the power of market trends. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and expert advice to make the most of your momentum investments. If you're ready to become rich or just retire 30 years early, reach out to me today and I'll work with you one-on-one to write you a comprehensive financial plan.